27. It wants us to solve this using the quadratic equation. What is a quadratic equation? Oh, well, it's x is going to equal, it's this great little thing, the opposite of b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Now, who are the a, b, and c? Well, you can't get the a, b, and c yet until you get it set equal to 0. So this isn't set equal to 0. I need that -4 to come over, so I'm going to add 4, and the equation will become x squared plus 4x plus the number 4 equals 0. Now I can go ahead and apply the quadratic equation to it. Well, here's your A, and we're going to list out, your B and your C. A is always who's in front of the x squared, which in this case is 1. B is who's in front of the x, which in this case is 4. And C is your final piece there, which is also a 4. Now, I like to go ahead and get this 4ac right away. So I like us to do that before we do anything. So 4 times 1 is 4 times 4 is 16. Now we're just going to plug into our equation and out will come our answer. So opposite of b, opposite of 4 is -4. Plus or minus square root b squared. 4 squared is what? 16 minus, well, we've already done the 4ac, so I just got to look right here and go, hey, just put 16 right there. All over 2 times a, which is 2 times 1, so it's 2. Now, look what happens. What's 16 minus 16? That's 0. And what is the square root of 0? 0. So this becomes -4 plus or minus 0 over 2. Now, normally we sit here, and we will do it anyway. We're going to go ahead and add the 0 and get our answer, and then subtract our 0. So we break it into its two parts because it is two equations. Quadratic equation is really two equations. One where you're adding all that square root of b squared minus 4ac, and the other where you're subtracting it. So it's -4 plus 0 over 2. And the other option is when we do -4 minus 0 over 2. Well, either way, you get -4 over 2, you get -2 here, and you get -2 as a solution here. There's only one solution. Adding 0 and subtracting 0, you get the same answer. That is why. So the only solution to this problem is -2. That's it for this problem. But this is why when we talk about, hey, if the discriminant value comes out to be 0, you'll get one answer because basically both the answers are the same.